I want to acknowledge the presence of the leaders we are with here. Kindly, Mama Esther, karibu, just say a word before I can speak. Quickly.
Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Brigade Gachagua, the Karen Hospital Dr. and Dr. Gikonyo, all members of Parliament present, all dignitaries, partners, sponsors, and watoto hamjambo? Watoto hello? So I want to congratulate Your Excellency, I want to congratulate Dr. and Dr. Gikonyo for 30 years of the Heart to Heart run. This is a run that helps my constituents and many citizens in the country, especially children, get diagnosed with heart ailments and also get treatment free of charge. So I want to say today that what you children are doing here, most of you might not have any heart problems, but you are helping to put a mark on the heart of another child. So I want to congratulate you. Let us do this with love in our hearts so that our country can go forward. Thank you all and God bless.
Thank you so much. I want also to just acknowledge the presence of Mama Elachi, MP Wadagoreti North. Just wave to them.